guys, welcome to Reading with Asia, and today I am going to show y'all how to do the bubble skincare. You might have the instructions, but if you want to do it with me, then that's okay, because I just wanted to show y'all how to do the bubble. And plus, I don't have a headband on, but I got my hair done and it's already up kinda, so I really don't need a headband. So anyways, let's get started. Okay, so first we're starting with the Fresh Start. But before you put this on, you're gonna have to put water on your face. Make sure you get it all around. So I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and now we're gonna put on the Fresh Start. Plus it's a gel cleanser. I said Jennifer. Okay, so it says to put 1 or 2 pumps of it and rub it in and put it on your face. I'm gonna put this to the side real quick. Make sure to get it all around your face. It should look soapy. Okay, I'm gonna get some water. Your face should be soapy like mine. It should look something like this or even more soapy if you add a lot of water. Okay, so it should look something like this. Okay, so after you've done that, you put a little bit more water on your face. In 1 second. Sometimes it gives you more soap on your face, or it just takes away all the soap off your face and it doesn't look that much soapy. Like this. Sorry, it feels like I have bubbles in my mouth. Okay. So I'm gonna dry my face. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I dried my face, and now we're finished with that first part. Now you're done. Oh, by the way, there's a morning and night routine that I do. The night routine, there's like 4 items, but right now there's only 3. So the next one is called Daydream. It is a tone and texture serum with vitamin C and plus, I don't even know what the next word is. Okay, anyways, so it says to apply 1 pump to clean dry skin. You're supposed to put 1, but sometimes I put more than 1. Okay, anyways, rub it in like last time. Pull it around your face. It shouldn't look as soapy. You might need to add extra if it's not around all around your face yet. Okay, so now it says to allow to absorb for 1 minute before applying moisturizer. So I will be back after 1 minute. Bye guys. Okay, so it has been 1 minute, and now we're going to put on the moisturizer. Okay, so this is the last item for the morning routine. This is called Cloud Surf. It is a waterproof moisturizer. So the other bottles are like squeezy ones that you have to squeeze. This one is like one you have to push down on your hand. This one says to, after cleansing and treatment, apply 1 to 2 pumps, so just like the first one. So usually I squirt 2 pumps on my hand. I get the extra off. There should be a little bit extra. And then I'll put this to the side. Whoops. You rub it in between your hands. It should look like lotion a little bit. And you rub it around your face. And plus, this is the, I already said, I was about to say it's the last one. I already said that, sorry. By the way, do you like my new hair? I just got it done today, so yeah. And I did not come up with this hairstyle. My mom said this as an option, and I picked it. Okay, you should have to rub it into your face. And your face should look nice and shiny. And after you've rubbed it all in, do a little pat on it. So it's not too, like, how do I call it? Like too smooth. You want it to be smooth, but not too much. I just don't want it to feel like, I don't know how to explain it. Anyways, that was the last part of the morning routine. And I might make a video of me doing the night routine. The night routine has one extra. You have to do all the 3 I just did, and then there's one extra for the night routine. Anyways, that's all for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!